Wanted a small, versatile industrial drone? Then don't miss the AGR-T3 drone. Small size, big effect. Collapsible design, unfold can be used. "40 minutes long battery life. Maximum flight speed of 72 km per hour, 15 km ultra-remote image transmission. 3-axis enhanced stability head. There are 2 kinds of cameras. Support thermal imaging and visible light dual imaging. Handle complex environments with ease. Flexible deployment capability enables T3 to work in a variety of scenarios. Widely used in power, fire, photovoltaic, and other fields. The vehicle is equipped with 12 vision sensors, build 3D maps, and plan paths in real time, more than perception. It can also achieve all-round obstacle avoidance, traversing complex terrain with ease. Escort for flight safety. Excellent performance, endless.